In Germany, steeped in history and culture, a voice's tale blooms silently. Our history began in 2006, originating from Germany. From the beginning of we are committed to provide for mobile music, high-end audio products, powerful, digitalization, integration, convenience, embrace self-innovation, have a global design team with rich acoustics experience, ongoing investment in R&D and advanced equipment, keep innovating and upgrading products, keep Freude cutting edge and competitive. Freude Core product modules, digital signal processor, amplifier, surround speakers, plug play, easy install subwoofer, others electronic, especially in high-end digital amplifiers, in electronics, power and DSP software, led globally in speaker design and more. Each product features Freude's signature design with rigorous production and testing standards. Temperature, humidity, vibration, and circuit testing, and traceability with unique codes for each unit ensures the brand's continuous evolution and vitality, provides a superior music experience. Freude means joy in German. We want to spread joy to Freude users globally. It transcends the brand's boundaries. It's a belief in living an endless love for music.